Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another tutorial. Let's see how to increase Google Play points to silver. And what is the new and silver benefits? If you don't know, what is the Google Play points? Please check the video description. You can see I have bronze level yet. Let's increase to silver. You can see tasks to increase Google Play points here. Under the section Earn, when you install this apps, they gave this points to you. But we can close this apps when installing. If you don't have this apps here, refresh your Google Play, and they will give you a chance. Sometimes it takes more than 1 day.
I don't know why. She told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around.
See, I got the silver level now. Let's see what's new in silver level. Click here. Perks. We can see silver price. Click on it. Here I got more 3 points. And I can get more points tomorrow. So this is the tutorial. Just subscribe me. I will show you more tips to get more points. Thank you. See you again.
On my own, but I don't know why. You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back